how this is how we try from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see I have a box in front of you guys. This is wireless HD adapter 4K version. This is Chromecast cheaper version. In Amazon price could be 20, and AliExpress other places you can buy in 12-13 euros or dollar. Here you see the connectivity. Connect to your Wi-Fi. You can use as a Chromecast if you want to cast your phone or other things to your computer. This is very useful. So I have already used Chromecast, but this one is a cheaper version. Windows, Android, iOS or Mac OS, you can connect with all these things. 4K here. The box is a little bit bumped on the way to home. Let's see what we have inside. First, let me take out all the things. Important a manual, so it's written in Chinese though, also English this side. So wireless projector Anycast, this one. Here is a main cast. You can see here, look at the Google Chromecast, very similar definition it has. HDMI, here is a micro USB port 2.0, the old not C port. Here's a Wi-Fi, it will detect. And this one is a adapter. You can connect with the TV USB option here. So let me take this off. So cable is quite handsome, the size, and it should go here as this. Just you have to put inside, that's all. Connect with your TV, gonna work. So in my next video I'm gonna show you how you can connect this one to your TV. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then.